Hi everybody, welcome back. Get ready to step out. Better grab the essentials. Um, this table is not really big enough, so I had to use one of my panels so I can properly lay everything out. So let me see. Oh, gotta have the car keys. That's important. And let's see here. Wallet. Can't forget the wallet. And cell phone. Cell phone, wallet, keys. I have watch. You know, essentials, right? Then I gotta have like one pocket knife. Another pocket knife. This is actually more of like a pliers. So it does more than just knife stuff. And here's one. It's also a flashlight. Somehow it's a flashlight. There you go. More for playing with the cats. So essential. And then I have another flashlight to find like house numbers. The LEP flashlight. Look it up. It's tape measure. You know, wherever you gotta go, you tape measure, obviously. And I have no particular order, by the way. It's not just one, but two flashlights, because you gotta have backup and stuff, right? And what else do I have here? I guess this is like a backup to backlight. Another flashlight. And I have a little notebook, jotting down things. I got a little crescent wrench, essential like Lapex wrench, micro screwdriver, several bits, and it's plastic for keeping the lightweight down. Dropbox lock for work. Small medicine cabinet, aspirin, Tylenol, super glue. Super glue, you gotta have it all the time. So that's that. I have headphones, or actually these are like Bluetooth little things here. That, then around the neck, I have little headphones. You know, essential. And then got my several pens, another flashlight. So it's like, I don't know, 5th or 6th backup light. So that, it's actually the main go-to light, really. But it's like a pencil, a pen, and like a marker. So essential. And then these are my soda clips. They carry 2 liters. I got 2 on each side to do that. So my own 3D printed clips. And you have ooh, taking the belt off, fancy. But in here is my phone case, but it actually holds 2 phones. So my daughter's phone and my phone when we're out and about, and roll of tape, because essential. You got to have thing electrical tape. You never know when you need to tape something out in the field or something like that. So then we have something new I started carrying. The belt's kind of, you know, everyday belt. And then something new, just whatever, you know, when you're out and about. Toothpaste, toothbrush. And I have a lighter. Many things. It could be an actual light, or, you know, for lighting things. I don't even smoke, but there's that. Starting fires, camping, whatever, you know. And I have a little pocket change, more for work, so I can carry some petty change for people at work, customers. And chapstick. So I think that's about it. So only the essentials wherever I go. So thanks for this pocket dump. Have a great day. See you. Bye.